Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to cancel your Mindgrasp AI subscription. First, open your web browser and go to the Mindgrasp AI website. Next, select the option called Account Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different parts of your account. On the Account Settings page, look through the menu options on the screen. Find and click on the Billing option. The billing section contains all information related to your subscription plan, payment method, and billing history. Once you are inside the billing section, carefully review your current subscription details. You should see an option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on this option to begin the cancellation process. After clicking Cancel Subscription, a confirmation box will appear on your screen. This box is shown to make sure that you really want to cancel your subscription. Read the message carefully, then click on the Continue button to move forward. At this stage, you will be prompted to fill out a short form. This form may ask for feedback or the reason why you are canceling your subscription. Fill in the required fields honestly and completely. Take your time to ensure all information is correct. After filling out the form, submit it as instructed on the screen. Once the form is submitted, your subscription will be canceled. Thanks for watching.